In today's video, I am going to teach you how to quickly add records in Notion with buttons. If you work with Notion databases, you know that adding new entries can take a few clicks and break your flow. A button property streamlines that by letting you create pages instantly from the database you are viewing. So you can capture information without leaving context. Start inside the database where you want the button to live. Open the Properties panel and click the plus sign to add a new property. Then select Button. This creates a clickable control right in your database. Give it a clear, action-oriented name so teammates immediately understand what it does. Like Add Tasks or New Entry. Keeping the label specific helps prevent misclicks and makes dashboards easier to use. Think of this property as a tiny automation trigger that anyone can press without navigating menus. Next, it's time to define what the button actually does. Click Edit Automation and choose Add Page to. This tells the button to create a brand new page in the database you specify. If you select the same database you are currently in, it behaves like a quick add row action. If you select a different database, it becomes a fast handoff. Perfect for sending requests, logging tasks, or creating linked notes elsewhere. When this action runs, Notion will generate a fresh page that respects your target database's default settings and any templates you've already configured there. That means your new records can start with the right structure automatically, saving time and keeping your data consistent. Finally, let's make sure the new record stays connected to where you click the button. You can use the This Pages relation to automatically link the new record to the current one. This option appears when a relation already exists between the database you are in and the database where the new page is being created. Selecting This Pages ensures that every generated record carries a back reference, giving you clean, navigable connections for rollups, progress tracking, and context. It's especially handy for parent-child relationships like projects and tasks, meeting notes and action items, or clients and deliverables. From here, the experience is simple. Tap the button, and Notion immediately creates the record with your chosen destination and an automatic link back to the page you used. You get speed, accuracy, and traceability, no extra clicks. No hunting for the right place to add things. That's it for setting up quick add buttons in Notion. Thanks for watching.